Hi, my name is Mia, and this is my Python 2 project. This project was inspired by one day the teacher told us to work on the drawing project. So when I went home, I drew a picture of an elephant, and the next day I showed my drawing to my teacher. And this is how I made the Python story. The format method was used in order to encapsulate the user's inputted name into a message that welcomes the user and introduces them to what the game is about. Dictionaries were used to keep track of the inventory of writing utensils, namely pens, pencils, colored pencils, and markers, and updating them when the user picks one up to use for their drawing. Format method is used to fill in the player's name and indicate blank spaces to complete the introductory message. The dictionaries are set up here with two key value pairs, each for each type of writing utensil introduced in the game. My favorite part about working on this project was...
Mia, hold up. Could you go back to slide 5? Okay, so here, can we transition out of this and go to the replit?
Oh, okay.
All right, and then just play through one more time, like we just did. Just a minute. Okay, that's good. Why don't we go ahead and go back to the slideshow?
My favorite part about working on this project was thinking of the storyline to the Python game. I would like to add a video next time I make a Python game. I would also like to improve on making the storyline a bit more fun and long. I would like to add pictures.